Hello friends, welcome to my channel today. Today I've come up with a very tasty and yummy recipe of grilled chicken. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. So let's get started. We have taken half kg of chicken breast. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil, yogurt 3 to 4 tablespoons, I have used ginger, garlic and chili paste 2 tablespoons, turmeric half tablespoon, red chilli powder 1 to 2 tablespoons, Tandoori masala powder 2 tablespoons. Add all the masalas in. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Chicken is marinated very well now. Now finally we will be adding salt to it as per taste. Mix it nicely. Leave the marinated chicken aside for 1 hour so that all the flavor goes into the chicken. After 1 hour, let's start with heating the pan. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pan. Add the marinated chicken on the heated pan now. Add the chicken breast one by one and let it cook from one side for about 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, we'll flip it to the other side and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now we'll flip it again and see. It has started changing its texture. It has turned out brown. It looks really yummy and delicious. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and cook again for about 5 to 7 minutes. The total cooking time for this grilled chicken is about 15 minutes. Brush the oil on the top of the chicken. Flip it and see if the chicken is cooked. Grilled chicken is ready. It's properly cooked now and it looks so juicy and yummy. Our grilled chicken is ready. We can serve it hot and enjoy the flavor. It's such an easy recipe. You don't need to go to a restaurant to have it. You can easily make it at home. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. I would love to hear your feedbacks. Please share your comments below in the comment box and let me know how was your experience in making grilled chicken. This has turned out really yummy and very juicy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.